Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to our family. My name is Shati and I'm a makeup content creator. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this yellow blue half cut crease look. But before that, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload. Now without any further delay, let's jump into the tutorial. So I'm starting with priming my eyelids and I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Porcelain. I'm blending it out with my Real Technique Beauty Blender. For today's eye makeup, I'm gonna use this Spotlight eyeshadow palette by You Can Be, and I'm going to grab this beautiful dark blue shade, stamping that blue shade on my outer V portion, and slowly I'm dragging this to my inner side also. I haven't uploaded any video more than 15 days I think. Actually, I have got some issues on my computer and my computer was in service center and that's why I couldn't post anything. But now I guess I can do. Now I'm going to use this shade. This is light blue shade with a little bit of green tint, and I'm going to diffuse that edges with this shade. Now I'm going to cut my crease and I'm going to use this FS29 Beige by Krylon. And I'm quickly blending it out with the same blender. Now again using this blue shade to blend the edges of this cut crease area. And now I'm going to add this beautiful yellow shade from here. And firstly I'm going to use this with my finger. I'm going to use this flat top brush. And now again I'm going to take that blue shade and going to blend that a little bit more. It's time to add a liquid liner. So I'm using this Faces Canada All Time Pro Matte Liquid Liner in the shade Black. Now I'm going to use this shimmery shade and I'm going to draw a line over here. And I'm using the same blue shade on my lower lash line. To highlight my eyebrow bone and inner corner, I'm using this Makeup Revelation Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighter palette. And so my this eye look is completed. Now quickly I'm going to finish up my this eye and gonna complete my rest makeup and I'll be right back. And here is the final look completed. Do let me know in the comment section below that you like this look or not. And I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. If you didn't follow me yet there, then please do it. I'm going to share my profile links on the description box below. And here I'm sharing some of my previous works. You may like to watch this also. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye.